My baby loves his boppy. It's so comfortable that he sits there and he just snores in it, huh? He loves his boppy. He snores just like his daddy. I hope he don't snore as loud as his daddy when he grow up. Because if he do, he probably ain't gonna never get married. I still love my little baby though.